And now let's bring out our final contestant, Twiggy. Sawdust. Twiggy. What do you think? What do you think? What could benefit most by the introduction of more beavers and why?
Well, Frank, we've heard about the General Assembly, we've heard about public teaching. I really honestly believe that all those things are right. Beavers are community-minded. Beavers live in harmony. And I believe that beavers should be in every bathroom in North Carolina. A beaver in every bathroom, welcoming all into every stall.
Thank you very much. Twiggy, Sawdust. Won't have to lift your tail.